Welcome back to TwoTube. It's been an incredible 12 months for all Twins with singles like Thank You, Darkest Ocean, Too Young to Live and Resurrect Me finding a permanent home on the radio.
Yes, just before we chat with the lads, let's take a look at them in action.
What's up?
All Twins! You're loving your own video there.
They were like,
Amazing.
oh my God.
Connor and Laura, you're very welcome to TwoTube. We're
Cheers.
massive fans of
Cheers.
yours,
Thanks
and
for having us.
congratulations, you've had an insane 12 months.
Yeah.
Do you pinch yourselves every day? You're like, what the hell? This
We
is
pinch
unbelievable.
each other.
Yeah. Maybe we won't go there.
Like we said, permanent fixture on the radio. You've been kind of surprised by the sheer industry support. There's been so much.
Absolutely, yeah, no, it's amazing. Yeah, it's kind of embarrassing when you hear it coming out of a radio and you're with somebody and they say, ah.
It's not embarrassing at all. You
you're like, that's me.
Yeah, and I'm pretending it's amazing. It's brilliant.
You guys are obviously amazing to see live. You're going to be playing tons of festivals like Longitude this summer. Is there going to be anything happening across Europe, or what's the crack there?
Yeah, we're actually off to Copenhagen tomorrow, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then France and Netherlands
Next week.
Next
And
week.
then, yeah, there's a load of festivals over the summer.
Amazing.
We're in Madrid, I think, at some point. And
You'd really want to know
That's the
that.
rock star lifestyle when you're like, I have no idea.
I don't even
No,
know.
we do.
I just
We
wake
do
up and
know.
I'm there.
I'd love to speak to the person who has to organise you guys.
Yeah.
Probably an absolute nightmare.
Live at the Marquee is going to be awesome as well. Obviously, you're
Yeah,
supporting
with Foles.
Foles.
Yeah.
Incredible gig, incredible band to be with
Oh,
as
we're
well.
massive fans as well, yeah.
So you must be really looking forward to that.
Yeah, it's going to be cool. I think
When did you
that's...
find out that you're going to be supporting the guys?
I got a text off from manager one day and he was just like, be here for this.
Make sure you're here for this. Are you free? I'll clear my calendar.
Have you met the guys
Casual.
before? Have you met fellas before?
No.
Okay, are you going to be able to maintain yourselves? You're not going to freak out now, are you? Keep it cool.
I'm going to hide in a room.
Not come out. Where
Yeah.
are they?
And then pretend afterwards that I met them. Yeah, we got on great.
I was at the Academy show and it was sick. It was so good. And it was just so exciting to see you guys, how you work together on stage. There's a sheer chemistry between you that you can just kind of acknowledge the fact that you guys have known each other for a very long time.
Yeah.
So is that a natural thing that kind of just happened from the start, or is it have you felt like you've developed that sort of, I guess...
I think if from the start we just respect each other as musicians from what we do, and then it kind of grew into, like, on
A
stage,
relationship.
exactly, a relationship.
We see each other every day, so it's like...
Like we're married a little bit.
It's good though.
We're brothers that are married.
Exactly. And we were just saying that before, obviously, you've got loads of radio play with all of your singles. Are those singles a taste of what we can expect with the album?
Yeah.
Yes. There will be more music.
So when can we expect the
When
album?
can we expect the album? Yes.
End of summer. So we kind of wrapped it up last week.
Does that mean, what, August? Or does that mean...
I'm going to say August.
Okay.
I think.
I'm going to guess.
So we've narrowed it down to that look. Because you've been on the show, I think, like
August,
3
September.
times at this stage before,
Yeah.
and every time it's, when are we going to get this thing?
Yeah.
Well, we didn't know.
Really?
We still don't know. End of summer.
You've been told that you finished recording it, it's ready to go, and it's
done
going
now,
to be
yeah.
available for people by the end of the summer. Well, listen, guys, thank you so much for coming in.
Thanks for
Yeah.
having us.
Absolutely
Thanks very
awesome.
much,
Best of luck with
appreciate
the
it.
future, and I can't wait for that Marquee gig. It's going to be awesome.
Yeah, if you guys want to head along to the Marquee gig, you can check it out on July 5th. And of course, the guys are playing Sunday at Longitude with Jamie XX as well. The National's going to be awesome.
It's going to be
Really
insane.
cool.
That's all we've got time for today. See you tomorrow. Bye.
See you guys.